All right, let's go ahead and change the battery out here on our remote. For this task here, I will suggest a small flat tip screwdriver because it can get tricky on these. Now, on the side, you'll see you got your little silver indentation right here for emergency key blade. We are going to push that in, and at the same time, we're going to pull the emergency blade, and that one decided to fly out. Hey, makes it easy. Now, if you look, there's a little slot right here on the side. Your blade goes here and right here. Put the flat tip screwdriver in there, and you're going to rotate the flat tip screwdriver. And when you do, it'll allow you to slide it in a little more. And when you prop it up, that side came open. Come over here to the other side, pop that up. There's your two halves. Now when you look at the battery, do not come into these sides. You will break this housing. Take your flat tip, come in between the battery, and push it towards this end right here. And the battery popped up. This is a CR2450. Gently work it out. Dump it. Now when you go to put the battery back in, I'm using the same one. This is a new remote. You got a metal tab and a metal tab. That means this battery has to come in at an angle like such. Push it in, and then push down, then slide it back so the battery's locked in. Hey, you just changed your battery. If you would, give me a thumbs up. Take your housing and put it back together, snap it, put your emergency blade back in. And there you go. You guys have a safe one, and thanks for watching.